Hello and welcome back. My name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan, where we bake vegan treats. So let's get baking. Today we're going to be making, icing a cake that I made. So when I made the base cakes, I actually made an extra one and I wanted to try something out. So we're going to try and make a waffle cake. Or waffle base cake, not the ones, because I googled it on Google Images, and people just have like waffles stacked together and that's a waffle cake. But I want to make a cake with like a waffle in it, but I couldn't find any reference images, so we're gonna give it a go on my own. And let's get into it. We're gonna start with crumb coats. So I then chill the cake to allow the crumb coat to set. Here I'm struggling with waffle placement and waffle size, yet I still didn't get it right. I probably should have stuck with the larger size. I then chilled it again to allow the icing to set. Honestly, probably should have done this part before I glued the waffles on, but you live and you learn. I also learned that my drizzling skills need a lot of work. I gotta start from one edge and not double back, and smaller gaps would have been a lot better. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit proud of myself for this skill. I was a little unsure about trying it, but they actually turned out super duper cute. If only the waffles were a little bit bigger or something to make it look a bit more proportionate, or I'd stuck them in the middle. I was going for a strawberries and cream kind of moment here, so the little dollops on the edge are supposed to look like cream, and I thought I did fairly good. The pink is a little bit too pink, but hey. I did to finish it off with a couple of fresh strawberries. I want to thank you all so much for watching. The cake didn't turn out as I'd hoped. I would hoped it'd look a little bit better and you could see more of the waffle from the top. But be sure to check out the final image on my Instagram and you could see how it looked in the end in the video. But if you want to see the final picture I took, check out my Instagram. As always, the recipe for the buttercreams I used will be in the description below. Same as always, it's about a 2-to-1 ratio. Yeah, if you would like to see more content like this, please comment, let me know that. Like this video if you like it, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you like me, if I'm not annoying, please subscribe, please continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!